Hello everyone. For those who wish to learn this skill, I recommend to watch this video that will guide you to become expert in doing electrician job. This topic is how to measure the total earth fault loop impedance of this circuit diagram. Before we start the actual measurement of this circuit, here is the equation. The total earth fault loop impedance is equal to the summation of external impedance plus the impedance of the longest points of the circuits. R1 taken by measuring a circuit phase conductor impedance, and the R2 same circuit earthing conductor impedance. Before we start any actual measurement, for measuring the external loop impedance of the distribution supply, the main earth conductor going to the main earth pit, the test link between the two terminals must remove as shown. For this test is carried out under live condition, and make sure the main isolator or main breaker at the main distribution board must be in off position, as you can see. Measure the external impedance between the line conductor and earth conductor and record the result of 0.1 ohm. Note, the value will vary, it depends the types of earthing system. So the value of external loop impedance from the distribution system is 0.1 ohm. Put it here. Next, we will measure the farthest point of the circuits. For example, in this diagram, the lighting point with the accessory ceiling rows. Before start any actual measurement, the farthest points of the circuits, the main earth conductor going to the main earth pit, the test link between the two terminals must connected, as you can see. Make sure the main isolator or main breaker at the main distribution board must be in on position, because this test is carried out under live conditions with the circuits under test energized, but no load is connected except the lighting points and sockets outlets. At the final distribution board, if the circuit is RCD protected, then you will have to select the no trip functions of the impedance tester to avoid nuisance tripping of the RCD. If your tester does not have this option, then you will have to link out the RCD. The same measurement can be done in the lighting valve is removed from pendant accessories by touching the probe between the live conductor R1 and the earth continuity cable R2 in this lighting circuit, and record the test results of 0.3 ohms. Right here, 0.3, the test result of the farthest point impedance of the lighting circuits. 0.1 plus 0.3 is equal to 0.4. So the overall total earth fault loop impedance is 0.4 ohms. Another option, the instrument may be directly connected to a socket outlet using the test flag provided, and should be used at the farthest point on a radial circuit or the midpoint of a ring circuit. The result is 0.3 ohm. The main reason for total earth fault loop impedance testing is to verify that if a fault occurs in an electrical installation, sufficient current will flow to operate the fuse or circuit breaker, protecting the faulty circuit within predetermined time. This is for the lesson today. See you again next episode. Thank you.